Work that steel, work that paper. There you go. White light, white light, white light. Bail out, bail out, bail out, bail out, bail out. Long axis, work the long axis, work that steel. Use the pillars. Steel. There you go, hit them again. Work the next side, work the next side. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Focus on your sights, reload the gun, keep your head on. Look at your target, because he may shift on you.
I got it.
Alright, find out your next shooting position. Picture it, see it. Move your feet there, line it up, hit them.